That was a bite though. Alright guys, as you can see, it is 7:11 a.m. We're a little bit later in the day than usual, but a beautiful day nonetheless. Welcome guys to another video. One fish, two fish, FLA. Let's get it. No creo de amigos, por eso con mis hermanos me mantengo. Cuídate los feos, me quieren ver preso. Y mis enemigos todos. That was a bite though. Right around there. Oh shit. Get up, motherfucker. I got this light line, I don't want to snap him. Black and blue. Blue. Oh my god, don't do that. Chill, bro. No, jig. Yeah. I didn't say yeah, buddy, a million times this time. Hallelujah. About the average right there, bro. About 2.5, 3 pounds. Fuck yeah, bro. Oh my god. I didn't even think it was a bite, bro. I thought it was another weed. Hell yeah. I mean, you could tell because I didn't get excited. I usually get hella excited. Fuck, bro. Yeah, that's it. Healthy ass fish too, bro. Damn, he's gorgeous. Come on. Oh yeah. It's a good pull. Damn, fucking drag almost fucked me up. Oh! Damn it, man. Yeah.